Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing chapter knowing our numbers. So today we are going to learn how to write numbers in words in Indian system and international system. Okay, so this you have done in grade 5 also. It is just repetition, and this topic we have discussed in Zoom class also. Okay, so it is request to all the students, please join your Zoom classes. I'm taking your doubts there. Okay, so first I'm taking example. This number is given 460523132. So first I am going to write it. Same number I will write in both the systems. Okay, the same number. So first I am writing in Indian number system. So again I will write the number and I will mark the periods. You know how we mark the periods? How we put commas? We know its periods in Indian number system. So first period consists of 3 digits. Second period consists of 2 digits. Third, fourth, 2. So start from here. First after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, then again after 2 digits. Now single digit is left. Okay. So after putting comma, what is the next step? I told you to write the places on each digits. Okay, so start from here: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now after putting commas and after writing places, start from here. Last digit has crore place, so we'll start from crore. So it means 4 crore. Next period is of lakh. So under lakh, which number is there? 60. So 60 lakh. Now come to next period. It is of 1000 period. So what is written? 52. So 52,000. And ones period, what is written? 132. So same we will write here, 132. So if you do your sums like this, stepwise, your sum will never be wrong. First put the commas according to periods, then write the places, then see in every period what is written, and you can write it very easily. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. Next, same number I am going to write according to international number system. Same steps we will follow. First we will write the number and we will put the commas according to the periods. So in international system, if you remember, comma is after every 3 digits. Okay, every period consists 3 digits. So first 3 digits, comma, then next 3 digits, comma. Now what is left behind? That is okay, only 2 digits. Okay, so after putting comma according to periods, we are going to write now places on each digit. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Because it is an international system, so 100,000, then million, 10 million. Now you can see very clearly different periods. It is million periods, it is 1000 periods, and it is ones period. Okay, now we will write its name. Now in first period, in million period, what is written? Only 46. So 46 million. Now in 1000 period, what is written? This is 0. So this is only 52. Only 52 is written because 100,000 place value is 0. So 52,000. If any number is written here, suppose it is 1. So it will be 152,000. But now it is only 52,000. So next 132. 132. Okay. So I hope it is clear to all. Thank you, students.